Welcome to the channel, I'm Leroy, also known as Yorkshire Fun, and in this series I'm talking about new builds and storage. We moved into this house, this new build, 2 years ago, and it's my dream house. It's lovely, I love it to bits. However, I have tools, and I feel sorry for you guys that move into a new build. It's all about storage. Now we're lucky, when we got the house, we got a 6x4 shed included in the house, which is great for putting like your garden stuff and chairs and etc. But we made sure that the day we moved in, we put the studio and a little workshop. Let me show you. So this is the studio. You'll know it, you'll recognize the studio from the inside because obviously it's on all my YouTube videos, but attached to it is my workshop. So it's all secure, it's all on CCTV videos, but basically you've got a 12 foot by 8 foot, but the actual workshop bit is 4 foot wide. Now that might sound a lot, and it's been great. However, when you see inside of it, and the wife who is videoing this at the moment will probably be sick because she's got OCD, but can I revamp this less than £200 and make it a workshop environment? I'll show you the problem I've got. Okay, so as a bloke in my 40s, I've collected a lot of tools and stuff, and this unit here is too wide for it to go like side by side. So this has got to go, unfortunately, and it's brilliant because it's got a drawer on it, it's got storage space underneath, but I've got lots of stuff randomly. It's organised chaos, or as my wife would say, it's a mess. So what I need to do is take everything out, and then we need to come up with some solutions, order some organisers on Amazon, on eBay, online, see what we can do. Because basically what I'm wanting to do is have a worktop over here, move this tools over there, and have it all nice and organised. So what is out there? There's so much you can order online, organisers for tools, for glasses, for screws. So I've got my little organisers on this side. You can see like I've got my screws, everything. I know where everything is. I've got my car bits, I've got paint here, I know that screws, but there's a lot of shit that I don't need here. So let's see the transformation. So in this series, give me a like and follow if you like that. Obviously you've seen me do the garden build, which is the barbecue, which is over there. You've seen me in the studio next door, rearrange it to make it more friendly on the eye, and it's got all my memorabilia. But this, can we turn this like literally 4 foot by 8 foot into a proper workshop where I can come and use it and I'm not falling over stuff? So don't forget to go like and follow. Okay, so over 25 years of like tools, from like Christmas presents, me getting them, little hobbies, and I need to get on top of this. I love our house, it's all nice and tidy, but this is like probably the worst area of the house because it's the bit that I have to look after. So with the help of the current wife, she's going to smash it because she's got an eye for detail when it comes to organisation. Okay, so the first box has arrived. I'm wearing the same shirt, yes, I know. So this is going to be for, the main issue I've got is battery chargers, tools, like sanders. So I need somewhere to store them all in one place, so they're not randomly around everything. So this is hopefully going to be one of the first pieces we're going to put. We need to take everything out. I need to sell that big bit, the big like unit, and then we'll know what space we've got. But we're thinking to use like a drop leaf table idea, so that I can create a workbench when I need it, then it can be tucked away. And that's the problem, because I've got like a big like circular saw. Where do I keep all this? It's only 8 foot by 6, so I need to try to figure this out. Okay, so we've emptied the majority of it. So we've got 8 foot by 4 foot space. And what I'm thinking is tool bench here, like my tools here so I can get to them, and then we have a folding workbench coming out of this wall. The studio's on the other side, and we've got power, we've got lighting. It just need to really optimize this space. So we've got the tool cart. We have ordered some more stuff. So the tool tidy, what I showed you earlier, that's the first thing that's arrived. And now I will show you the amount of stuff that I need to get back into this space. I may need to throw the odd thing away, but not my tools. Let's have a look. Okay, so I've got quite a few bits and bobs. As you can see, I've got quite a lot of stuff. As you've seen in previous videos, I've got boxes of shit that I've probably not looked at for 15 years. Tools always staying. I think one of them belongs to Dazzler, orbital sander. So Dazzler, you can have your thing that bit more space. But there's just lots of big items. So the steps, the bench, and the other extendable steps, they don't need to be in there. If they do, we need to come up with some clever way of putting them. That's what I'm getting rid of now. So I'm selling that unit so somebody will get a bargain. It's just too big. It's great. It's a great piece of kit. Just needs a bit of like tidying up. That's all. But yeah, let's get on with the task ahead. Okay, so this is the tool organizer for like batteries and stuff like that. I'm rubbish at this. I am rubbish at this stuff, but the wife is a pro. So much so, I'm gonna time lapse it so we can actually see her do it, put it together. No pressure.
When it comes to like IKEA furniture, putting stuff together what involves instruction manuals, my brain does not work in that way. I can build with my hands, but she is a ninja. She is top class. She knows how to... I don't know, everything in our house what's been IKEA furniture, she smashes it out in literally 20 minutes. Boom. Wardrobe. Done. Chest of drawers. She's absolutely mint at it. Take my hat off to her.
So it's been a week. Everything's arrived. I had a budget of £200. Could have tidied this workshop and make it a bit more organised, because we moved into the new build. This part of the whole video was I just dumped my tools. So come in. I think I've done it. Hello, look, I've got space. I can dance. Right, so the numbers. This was £25. This all organizer, little pegs, all my screws, screwdrivers, loads of space. This was £30. As you can see, quick access, little holes there, some hanging up, got my things. Kallax. This is from Facebook Marketplace, £20. These drawers are from next door in my studio, because I've just moved things around. Okay, onto the workbench. This foam was £4, looks like a barbecue mat, and then the hard wood on behind it was £8 from B2. Had it cut to measure, and the brackets are hard, heavy duty, old 100 kilos. So they was £12. We interrupt this video. I'll show you what some of the stuff I have found in the toolboxes while I've also been sorting this workshop area out. So in my toolbox, what I found is a Oasis ticket from 1997, the year that Diana died. Liam Gallagher did Live Forever and give a tribute to Princess Wales. Found an iPod shuffle, what's been here God knows how long. A Japanese throwing star, which I got when I went to America, to Florida in 92. Well, in fact, the same year, we went to Quincy's. I don't even know if these still exist in America. Quincy's, and you got little matches. So yes, there's some of the weird, wonderful stuff I found already while doing this workshop. Back to the rest of the video. Oh, what's that? I'm just working on a few little bits and bobs. Hold on. What's that? I just need to have a look. Oh yes, beautiful work, Lee. So yeah, so these drop. So there's a little quick release mechanisms. Boom. So yes, budget of £200, and it's come in at 100. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 products. I've got space here, so I've got an offcut from the table from B&Q, which I'm going to attach here, and I think I'm going to do something with my drills. What do you think? Well, look, lots of space, lots of space. To be fair, I've also put the big bulky stuff out of the way, so I've got my still saw hung up, I've got my still saw bench and tucked away in the corner. Just nice space now. Utilised it, cleaning products for car, paint behind there. Don't forget there's a new video on the channel every single Monday. Don't forget to give us a like and follow. Tell me what you think. My little workshop.